We're here at SOTI World Tour in Kuala Lumpur, right in the heart of the Asia Pacific. SOTI World Tour is an exclusive event where we connect with our customers and partners. It serves as a place to gain expert opinions from our product experts, gain insights into the industry, and understand our visionary roadmap. During the engaging keynote presentations, attendees heard from our leaders about SOTI's vision for the future of innovation.
I looked at it as a very good opportunity to be here and interact with all the senior leadership of the company.
Attendees discovered intel on SOTI's largest release to the SOTI ONE Platform. Customers and partners experienced live demonstrations of the latest technology, creating a unique and engaging learning environment.
We've learned a lot how we can put everything together to bring it to a different range of clients, but keeping security as a paradigm.
SOTI World Tour is the must-attend event of the year. Our partners and customers gain valuable insights that will solve their most pressing business issues. Thank you to all who came out. We look forward to seeing you at the next one.